Ah, man, ye old problem of too much work. Well, if no one has told you yet, I will be the one to tell you, because I am the same person that does this. And the reality of it is that if you are the guy who is able to complete a lot of the work, or you are the guy who is noticeably able to produce more than the others, you will eventually, if you aren't already, start getting the work of other people, and you will be rewarded with more work. Now the question is it worth it? That depends. Is it worth it if you do more work and you're getting paid more for it? Is that something that you want? For me, I was very financially motivated. So for me, it was an advantage when it came to me being known as the guy who is working on the hard problems, and I was the only guy that can solve the hard problems. That's the main reason why I'm looking at probably becoming a team lead this year, is because of my ability to take on the hard things and be the only guy to solve the hard problems. Now, is that something that you want? And that's a serious question. If it's not something that you want, then you need to have a serious conversation with your manager or team lead or senior engineer, and have a down to earth conversation about your workload. I have a very close relationship with my engineering lead, and he is very well aware of the things that I want to do and what I want to achieve, and that's another reason probably why I'm going up for team lead, is that I've told him that I want to be up for these positions. So yeah, man. If you're in a position to where you are just being funneled with a lot of the stuff and you're starting to take up the slack of other people, that is the reality of being a high performer. My recommendation is that if they are continuously feeding you more work, don't continue to take more work unless you are getting compensated in some way for it. Don't be an idiot. Don't be a dumbass and be taken advantage of. If you have the capability, do it, right? But don't be taken advantage of.